Good morning to everyone. Today we have to do the several questions. So let's start it. The first question is the total weight of 1523 cubical boxes is 11,98,078 kg. Estimate the weight of each box to nearest 1000. The question said to us that the weight of 1523 cubical boxes is given to me and I want to calculate the weight of one box. The question is similar to this type. Let us say the weight of two boxes is given to me, that is 10 kg, and I want to calculate the weight of one box. Obviously, you people know this thing. If the weight of two boxes is 10 kg, that means the weight of one box is 5 kg. So what I have done here, divide 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. So that means similar type of question is there. Here also you have to divide. Now see, I am doing solution. Weight of weight of 1523 cubical boxes is equal to 11,98078 kg. Get it? Now I want to calculate weight of one cubical box. That means I have to divide 11,98078 divided by 1523. When you divide these two terms, you will get the answer 786 approximately. Means here remainder is not 0 when you people can divide it. Get it? Now other question, next line of the question is estimate the weight of each box to nearest 1000. Means I want to calculate the estimated value of this thing to nearest 1000. So calculate it. Estimated value of 786 to nearest 1000. That will be equal to, now see, 786 is written now. Now see, nearest 1000. 1003 zeros are there. That means last three digits I have to underline. So underline it. Here the next digit is not there, so I can write here 0 also. Here the first underlined digit is 7, means greater than 5. So that means you have to add 1 to the previous digit. So write here 1 and in place of underlined digits you have to write zeros and your question is done. Here also kg. Units are necessary. Now see the next question. Rahul travelled 1973 km to go from place A to B. This is, let us say, place A. This is place B. When he is going from place A to place B, he has covered 1973 kilometer distance. Get it? Now read the next line. And then he went to place C. Means from B place he go to place C. After travelling 1687 kilometer. Means from B to C he travelled 1687 kilometer. Estimate the distance between A to C. Means I want to calculate the distance between A to C. I hope you people understood from this diagram that how can we calculate the distance between A and C? How? By addition. So calculate it. Distance travelled by Rahul from A to B is equal to 1973 kilometer. Next line, distance travelled by Rahul from B to C is equal to 1687 kilometer. Now the third line is distance travelled by Rahul from A to C. That means you have to add it 1973 plus 1687 So add it on rough. 1973 1687. 8, 9, 10, 15, 16, 9, 10, 16. The answer is 3660 kilometer. Get it? Now the question is estimate the distance between A to C to nearest 1000. Means now I have to calculate the estimated value of 3660 to nearest 1000, that you can write it. Now see, 3660 to nearest 1000. 3 zeros are there. So that means you have to underline the last 3 digits from backside. See the first underlined digit. First underlined digit is 6 greater than 5. That means you have to add 1 to the previous digit. So that means the estimated value is 4000 kilometer and our question is done.